How to buy USDT on Binance using your mobile money, which is the Momo. In 2025, you'll need to use a third-party platform like MiniPay. So MiniPay is a platform that allows you to convert local currency to USDT using various payment methods, including mobile money. So to do that, first, download and set up the MiniPay. So simply just go to your Google Play Store or your test flight on iOS, and then simply just download MiniPay. Then you want to add funds to your MiniPay wallet. Simply just adding funds or adding cash on the MiniPay screen if you downloaded the app already. Then you can select the USDT offer. So MiniPay will display various USDT offers from partner platforms, and you can choose the offer that suits your needs. Then you want to complete the purchase. And by doing that, you can just follow the partner's payment flow, which will involve using your Momo account to pay for the USDT. And then lastly, you can now receive your USDT. So once the payment is successful, your USD balance is in your MiniPay wallet and will be updated on your Binance account. So you can transfer it on the Binance by doing the transfer the USDT from your MiniPay wallet to your Binance account. And take note that Binance itself doesn't directly apply and accept Momo payments. You need to use a third-party platform like MiniPay to first convert your local currency. So make sure that you have your MiniPay wallet downloaded and created using a platform in MiniPay. And if you have an Android, you might want to try downloading MiniPay. And in order to do that, simply just go to your Play Store. And that's how you can basically buy USDT on Binance using mobile money.